The hell happened here?
Messed up, hit a pipe. Should have killed the water before we started.
Shoulda, huh?
It's not that big a deal. We can fix it in the morning. I don't think mold should be a problem before then.
Mold?
Schofield, shut up, man.
No, you shut up. What are you talking about?
You get drywall and insulation soap like this, you run the risk of stachybotrys mold.
Boss, that's just like 1 time in 1,000, for real.
Tell you what. You and all your campaneros here aren't stepping outside this door until every damn molecule of water is out of this place.
Well, it's gonna take all night.
Well, then it's gonna take all night. Don't catch a sniffle.